In the spirit of Valentine's Day, we are going to paint these charming and simple watercolor flowers with heart-shaped petals. And I'm just using sap green and permanent rose. And I start by painting a stem. And then I paint 2 leaves. And this is using a wet on dry technique. There goes the train. And then using my number 12 half round brush, I'm going to pick up some rose madder, or permanent rose rather. And these are artist grade watercolor paints that I'm using. And then I just, in 2 easy strokes, paint the heart-shaped petals. And they're so charming. We'll do one more right here. And there you have it. Very simple. And very cute. To paint my Valentine's cards, I'm using these deckled edge handcrafted note cards that I found online, and they came with envelopes. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly watercolor tutorials. Your support helps me bring more creative projects like this one to life. Happy painting and see you next time.